Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so I guess we got kind of a switch up this month. So we do have some spoilers for the Ipsy August standard bag. I also got some for Plus, so that video should be up next. And then I got some July add-on spoilers, which will be up after these two. What happened to the August bags, I don't know. I haven't seen them yet. So how they're putting out spoilers before the bags, I don't know. But anyways, I'm going to show you what I got. So if you're excited for this video, y'all, go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also, hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on those spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now, sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now, let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing a confirmed spoiler for the BoxyCharm July base box. Well, thank you so much, Shelly Grigsby. Shelly says, thanks for another great vid. Well, Shelly, honey, you are more than welcome. You know me. I'd go nuts if I didn't have this to do. And I really appreciate you having your bell on, honey, and thank you so much for coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either search bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments picked. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, now here in just a second, I'm going to put up a 5-second timer. It will have a little red heart right there, and if you have not yet hit that subscribe button and you hit that subscribe button, it's going to turn that a shade of blue for about a half a second, so do not blink. But it's also going to give you good luck for the rest of the year, so who don't want that? So let's go ahead and do that. Well, welcome to the family, guys. Now, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now, again, these are some of the spoilers for the Ipsy August Standard Glam Bag. So, first up is the Glam Glow Illuminating Anti-Fatigue Eye Cream. This is like Bright Eyes or something. I don't know what it is. Next up is the Buxom Extrovert Lifting Mascara. Then we have the Sunday Riley Ice Ceramide Moisturizing Cream. And then last but certainly not least is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. So, let me know what you think about these items down in the comment section. And of course, as soon as they reveal the bags or any more spoilers, I'll update you guys. You know, I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, Ipsy's linked below if you want to go check them out. Now, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Morgan Jarrell. Morgan says, thank you for all of your sneak peeks. Well, Morgan, honey, you are more than welcome. I really love doing these videos. And it makes me feel so good when I hear y'all say y'all enjoy these videos. And Morgan, I really appreciate you coming and watching the video, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you still subscribe to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any. Yep, they do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit work a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. That's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.